Next live trial here on Court TV is the controlling boyfriend murder trial out of Jacksonville, Florida. Chad Absher was the subject of a citywide manhunt in Jacksonville for allegedly killing his girlfriend, Ashley Rucker, and shooting her sister, Lisa Rucker, back in 2017. Absher's defense team is saying that the shooting was somehow self-defense after the defendant said he was attacked by both the women. The trial started yesterday afternoon. We'll get caught up this morning. We want to show you the opening statements, and we want to start with the prosecution.
He won't let her go. He won't let my mommy go. He's beating her. Those are the words uttered almost 5 years to the day on October 31st, 2017, of Joseph Graziano Jr., 9 years old at the time, talking about his mother, Christina Ashley Rucker. He was in the room with the defendant, Chad Absher, who was dating his mother, Christina Ashley Rucker, back 5 years ago. They had retreated to go to bed. And that's when he had to get and go for help. He went to get help from his aunt, Lisa Rucker, who was in another building, in a condo at Cedar Creek Landing here off of San Juan Avenue, where he had just moved in recently with his mom and his aunt, and his cousin, Colton LeBaron, who was also present, tender age of 4 years old. Also there was Lyle Scheidemann, who was the boyfriend, dating partner of Lisa Rucker at the time. So Joseph went for help because of what he saw the defendant doing to his mom. Lisa Rucker, his aunt, and Lyle Scheidemann go to the bedroom to where Christina Ashley Rucker is, and the defendant. Observations are made, I submit to you, where the defendant is still on top of her. The defendant then is asked to leave, to go. The defendant then pushes Lisa Rucker, and that's when Lyle Scheidemann stepped in. He had heard the words of Joseph, 9 years old. He had heard the words of his girlfriend and observed the defendant pushing her. And you all will hear that a physical altercation occurred between the defendant and Lyle Scheidemann. You will also hear that Lisa Rucker calls 911. The defendant will not leave. And I submit to you in a little while, you will hear that 911 call. During that 911 call, it is asked about weapons. Are weapons being used? I submit to you at that point, no weapons were being used except for hands and fists. A fight between the defendant and Lyle Scheidemann, as Mr. Scheidemann will tell you about. So Ms. Rucker. Because no weapons are mentioned, it's not a high-level crime. During this time frame, things escalate greatly. Lyle Scheidemann is going to tell you, he got the better of the defendant. There is now blood. There are now some injuries between the two males that are home, the two adult males. Then Lisa Rucker tells Lyle Scheidemann, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. Lyle Scheidemann was like, peace out, I am done. I submit to you, he's going to tell you all. He actually exits the condo, which is on the second floor. You all will see photographs momentarily of the location. Lisa Rucker will tell you she goes outside, she goes to check on Lyle Scheidemann. He said, go back and check on your sister. Lisa Rucker goes back inside. Now, Who is present inside that condominium? I submit you will hear that it is now Lisa Rucker. It is Christina Ashley Rucker. And the reason why, ladies and gentlemen, I say fully her name, Christina Ashley Rucker, is you all are going to hear that she went by her middle name. So just to help with no confusion, you will probably hear me say it a lot before. But I submit to you, you all will hear people that knew her as Ashley, with two E's. Lisa Rucker goes back inside, she checks with her sister. Lisa Rucker is going to tell you, down inside is herself, her sister, the defendant, and the two children, 9-year-old Joseph and 4-year-old Colton, who is the son of Lisa Rucker. Colton and Joseph, they were told to go into the bedroom of Lisa Rucker so they would not be around with what was going on between the fight of Lyle Scheiderman and the defendant, Chad Absher. At this point, Lisa Rucker is going to tell you that the defendant is pacing around the condominium, they're waiting for the police to get there. The defendant is still being told to leave. He is not leaving. Lisa Rucker is going to tell you, based upon the physical altercation between Lyle Scheiderman and the defendant, that her and her sister, Christina Ashley, are now in the process of cleaning up the mess. Because you're going to see pictures of that mess, you're also going to hear that testimony. That the physical altercation occurred in a small hallway where a linen closet was. It broke the door, it caused blood.
Prosecution opening statement took place yesterday. It's always a roadmap for jurors. Let's bring in Michelle Thomas and Melissa Pinkleton. Michelle, the state has a lot to work with here, and there's a real preview of anticipation of sister who survived. She's going to take the stand, and then also the 9-year-old at the time, who's 14 now, also there when it took place and taking the stand. What do you think so far from the opening?
I think it's compelling, and you're right. Whenever the state has a situation where one of the victims survived and is an eyewitness to what occurred in large part, that's a significant hurdle for the defense to have to overcome. Certainly hearing from the child, the 9-year-old son who was there, now 14, is going to also be compelling. He certainly has no reason or any motive other than to just tell the truth as to what he observed and heard that night. So when you have multiple witnesses to the incident, to the crime, that's definitely an advantage for the state.
Melissa, from a law enforcement standpoint, investigating a murder where self-defense is alleged, yeah, a guy can say whatever he wants, or a woman can say whatever they want about a conflict. What physical evidence would you expect if this was self-defense? There should be something else to help this argument, should there not be? What would you anticipate finding?
Oh yeah, there should be. And the way that my understanding is of him saying he had no other choice other than to use a gun, you'd be looking for a crime scene that was very disheveled, that things were thrown and tossed around. You'd be looking for defensive wounds on the suspect. Him holding his hands up, it's very common when somebody is being attacked. It's just human nature. It's our bodily instincts to hold your hands up. Marks on your hands, marks here, any kind of marks on his person. From where he was allegedly being attacked. So all of those things you're going to look for, along with craziness at the crime scene. And you're also going to look for the witness statements to corroborate what he is claiming happened at the scene. And I don't really think this is going to fall together for him.
Ashley Rucker. Her sister and her son are both going to testify. We'll show them both to you. First, when we're going to take a break now. When we come back, we'll get more of the state's opening statement on the controlling boyfriend murder trial. Here are the events that led to the shooting death of Ashley Rucker through the eyes of the state.
5.
Back this morning, we're rolling out parts of the controlling boyfriend murder trial, which started yesterday with the state's opening statement while we were doing the Nicholas Cruz hearing. Police say Chad Absher shot and killed his girlfriend, Ashley Rucker, then shot her sister, Lisa, after a heated argument between all three parties. Despite serious injuries, including a gunshot wound to the face, Lisa Rucker survived. The defense believes that Absher acted in self-defense after being attacked by the two sisters. We'll pick it up where we left off as the state details their version of events in their opening statement.
At this point, Lisa Rucker, I submit to you, is going to tell you she's on her hands and knees, cleaning up the blood from the physical altercation that just occurred. So is her sister, Christina Ashley Rucker. At this point in time, she has now made her way out to the common area of the condominium. She is still on her hands and knees. You're also going to see where there are cleaning products on the floor, as Lisa Rucker is telling you what she was doing at the time. She is going to say she's on her hands and knees. She is going to tell you all that she is looking down the hallway towards where that physical altercation occurred, when the side of her eye and her peripheral vision, she is going to tell you she sees the defendant with a gun. While still on her hands and knees, she looks over to her left side, where the defendant is standing in that common living room area. She is going to tell you, the defendant then says, "So this is how it is, Lisa?" While a gun is pointed at her. And I submit to you, you will see that gun. 9mm Luger high point, commonly referred to as a rifle, pointed directly at her. Lisa Rucker's going to tell you, inside of her thought process, she did not think the defendant, who now she's known for several years, ladies and gentlemen, as you're going to hear, as the defendant and Christina Ashley Rucker were in a dating relationship. Not this person that she's known for several years. She didn't think he would shoot her. So Lisa Rucker goes to turn her head back to cleaning the ground, the flooring, because she knows also police are still around. And ladies and gentlemen, at that time, pow! Lisa Rucker is shot, and she will tell you it was the defendant who shot her. She will tell you all she blacks out. She will also tell you all the last place where she saw the defendant and her sister alive before she was shot. She's coming to and from at that moment. Because Christina Ashley Rucker, she's going to tell you, is also in that main living room. Next, also then Lyle Scheidemann, he's still outside while this was going on. He hears the gunshots. Not only does Lyle Scheidemann hear the gunshots, he sees the defendant fleeing the condominium. And not only fleeing the condominium, he's going to tell you, but zipping up his jacket to cover his tracks, his rifle. Because shortly before that fleeing, pow! Another gunshot. And Lyle Scheidemann then goes into that condominium after he sees the defendant flee. He sees Lisa Rucker fighting for her life. And he sees Christina Ashley Rucker dead. No movement. No pulse. It is now October 31st, 2017, in those early morning hours. The kids come out. 9-year-old Joseph comes out and sees his mom deceased. Bloody, not breathing. He sees his aunt Lisa Rucker fighting for her life. Police arrive. Christina Ashley Rucker is pronounced deceased on scene in her new home that she was going to share with her sister and her children. You're going to hear that she was 30 years old, 5 days shy of her 31st birthday. You're going to hear that Lisa Rucker, because she is still alive, they immediately get her out of there. GFRD arrives, tend to her care, and she makes a statement to Captain Paula Edwards, telling that it was the defendant who did this to her. The children are scooped up by law enforcement to get them out, as they now have blood on themselves as well by going through the scene. And I submit to you all to see that scene. They are then interviewed later by child protection team because of their ages of 9 and 4. You're also going to hear from Sergeant Napoli of the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office. He was a patrol sergeant at the time. He was one of the first arriving officers. He also heard Lisa Rucker say as well, the defendant is the one who shot. And I submit to you, ladies and gentlemen, crime scene detectives are called out. Homicide detectives are called out. You're going to hear from Detective Harmon Brooks. She processed the scene. You're going to hear from Detective John Lanache. He was the lead investigator of the homicide unit at the time. And you're going to hear about their investigations and what they observed. Lisa Rucker was taken to UF of Health, not far from where we are right now. She was in the care of multiple doctors, but the one that did most of her care would be Dr. Bennell. I submit to you, he is going to talk about where Lisa Rucker was shot. She was shot in the left side of her face. The bullet made entry into her cheek, and it landed in her oral cavity to the point where it would have been spit out. However, plenty of fragments, as he will tell you all, still remain inside of her today. Also were taken out. He's going to tell you about the reconstructive surgery, how she was in serious condition, how they had to take matters from her leg to help reconstruct her face. You're going to see photographs of that gunshot wound. You're going to see photographs of the healing. I submit to you, you're going to see her when she takes the stand about the disfigurement to her face as well, and her trachea, and her leg. And she is going to tell you all that she was not able to talk when Detective Grenache was first meeting with her. They had to do notes that they had to write. But she was able to identify the defendant through a picture. Lars Scheidemann was able to identify the defendant through a picture. Lars Scheidemann was taken down to the police memorial building. You're going to see pictures of how Lars Scheidemann looked on October 31st, 2017, what he was wearing, injuries that he had, blood that was on him as well. You're also going to hear that a manhunt then occurred to find the defendant. So I submit to you all that this happened, the shootings of Christina Ashley Rucker and Lisa Rucker happened in the early morning hours of the 31st. A little before 48 hours, around the 40th hour, the defendant was found. Not before, though, the defendant had fled the scene, I submit to you. Not before the defendant took his battery out of his cell phone. And because the defendant went to a family friend by the name of Randall King. And Randall King called the police. SWAT was called out. You're going to hear from Detective Hinton with the SWAT team of Jacksonville Sheriff's Office that they used a robot to make entry inside of Mr. King's home, who gave consent. And he's going to talk to you about that robot. In fact, we're going to submit images of that robot to fully understand what is used by the SWAT team and why it is used. And that there's a video camera on that robot used. And Detective Hinton is also able to speak to the defendant through that robot. And Detective Hinton is going to tell you that when that robot made entry to Randall King's home off of 118th Street, that the defendant was walking around with the murder weapon. With a live round still in the chamber. I submit to you, we know that because there was further processing done by Detective, at the time, Shannon Pfister. She now goes by the name of Detective Shannon Willard. But I want to make sure you all know that is one and the same individuals, because you will see, of course, Pfister, since this happened 5 years ago, but today she's Willard. After some time, the defendant does exit the home. He does leave the rifle inside. The rifle is collected, that high .9mm Luger. Live round is collected. The defendant's cell phone without the battery in it. Also some toothpaste and a toothbrush. The defendant is taken and arrested.
All right, we're going to break in here when we come back. The final moments of the state's opening statement. Stay with us as prosecutors lay out the forensic evidence they intend to show against the defendant, Chad Absher. Welcome back. We were showing the state's opening statement this morning in the controlling boyfriend murder trial. We'll get to the defense next and the first couple witnesses. Then we'll go live into court in Jacksonville over the next few hours. Chad Absher is accused of shooting and killing his girlfriend, Ashley Rucker, in 2017 on Halloween. He also faces charges for shooting Ashley's sister, Lisa. She survived. Absher claims that it was self-defense and that the women were attacking him. The jury's going to hear from the sister, also from the victim's son, who was only 9 years old at the time. Let's right now finish up the opening statements.
You're also going to hear that items were submitted to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. You're going to hear about that high .9mm. You're going to hear about the trigger pull and the weight of that trigger pull from William C. Black with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. You're also going to hear from Laura Dragon from the firearms sections as well. She's going to tell you, because we go back to the processing scene, you're going to hear from Detective Harmony Brooks. She collected 2 casings. She collected 2 bullets. And Laura Dragon was able to connect those 2 casings to that 9mm high point where it's still in the possession of the defendant. Also, too, we're going to talk about those bullets, that they are similar in nature to a 9mm, but due to deformity and whatnot, they're not able to conclusively state that it goes to that fire. However, it also went to DNA. You're going to hear from Molly Carter with FDLE. And she's going to tell you and be able to identify the bullet that killed Christina Ashley Rucker, the bullet that shot Lisa Rucker in her face, that almost took her life. Then you're going to hear from Dr. Peter Gillespie. He is going to tell you all that he is with the local District 4 Medical Examiner's Office. He examined Christina Ashley Rucker on the same day that she perished. He was able to determine that she had 1 gunshot wound. She also had some lacerations, and we'll go through that later on this week. But in reference to that gunshot wound, Dr. Gillespie is going to inform you all where the entrance wound is. You all are going to hear that Christina Ashley Rucker shot in the back of her head and her phone. He's further going to tell you all that the exit wound is her left eye in front of her face. He is then going to tell you all that there was no soot, stippling, or muzzle impression. Again, we'll get into that later in the week, but that goes into distance from the barrel to the gunshot wound. And he's going to tell you all that the cause of Christina Ashley Rucker's death by gunshot wound. She died instantly. He's further going to tell you that the manner was homicide. So ladies and gentlemen of the jury, on behalf of the state of Florida, myself, Mr. Atkinson, and Ms. Bronstein, we appreciate the time and attention yesterday, that you'll give today, and that you'll give all week. And we will ask you at the end of the trial, the conclusion of the evidence, to find the defendant accountable for his actions on October 31st, 2017, by murdering Christina Ashley Rucker in first-degree murder and attempting to murder Lisa Rucker. Thank you all.